How to convert Picoin to USDT on Bitget. Quick tutorial, turn search. Here's a clear step. How to swap Picoin for USDT on Bitget. Voiceover script. Welcome to How to Mastery, your go-to channel for crypto step-by-step guides. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Picoin PI to USDT on Bitget securely and officially. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create and verify your Bitget account. First, download the Bitget app or visit the website. Sign up using your email or phone number. Then complete KYC verification. Upload your ID and do a selfie verification to unlock withdrawals and spot trading, site turn search, one turn search, such. Step 2. Transfer your Picoin to Bitget. Open your Pi Network wallet via Pi browser. Tap Pay Receive. Choose Manually Add Wallet Address. And paste the Pi deposit address from Bitget site turn search 3, turn 0 search 9. For safety, do a small test transfer first. And step 3, convert PI USDT on spot. Once your Pi arrives in your spot wallet, go to Spot Trading, search for PI USDT, choose Market Order to sell instantly at current price, or Limit Order to pick your selling price, site turn search 1, turn search 3. Step 4. Withdraw or trade your USDT. After converting, USDT appears in your Bitget wallet. You can 1. Withdraw USD to an external wallet, or 2. Use P2P trading on Bitget to sell USDT for fiat. 0 fees, with over 100 payment methods available. Site turn search 1, turn search 12.1. Optional step 5. Use Bitget Convert or Swap. Prefer a quick and easy route? Use Bitget Convert or Swap modules. 0 fees for PI USDT. Then proceed to P2P or withdrawal, site earn turn search 12. Tips before you convert. Always complete KYC first. You can't convert or withdraw without it. Double check the Pi deposit address. Copy paste exactly. Use a small test transfer to ensure it arrives. If PI isn't yet listed, check you've migrated to mainnet. Site turn search, FUV turn search 3. And that's it. A secure, official way to swap your Picoin for USDT on Bitget. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment with your crypto questions, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more easy crypto guides. Thanks for watching.